and I love this person. For one thing, he's a relative. He's Ohana, and not only that, he's a hula brother. I can say that he's a hula brother because we used to dance together years ago with Auntie Huakale Kamau. And then he relocated from Honolulu to Hilo, and he used to dance with Auntie Edith Ma with Nalani way back in the days when her hair was jet black. And she could aihaha like you wouldn't believe. And but he also, we're at Moko Keawe, and the unique thing is that his family name is Keawe. And also how we're related also ties to this side of the island, and I'm standing up with his family because his great-grandfather, Levi Kauai, was a mo'opuna of Kahakukui Kamoana, the youngest son of the high priest Heva Heva of Kohala, which ties to this family. So you see all this connection. And if you think I'm trying to stretch the time, yeah, because I forgot to get the words over here for me to see. But we're going to invite, oh, nobody came. Okay, yeah, Olana, come here too. No, we're going to invite out.
Are they ready?
Oh, I was hoping that, where you guys
I was hoping you guys don't come.
I was hoping you guys will run away, go back to the room or something. No, I'm so grateful to these. They're breathing because, you know what, they just got through dancing, yeah? And this particular person, he was not only a dancer years ago, but he has committed himself to the Hawaiian art form. Every aspect of Hawaiian art form. He's a lei maker, he's a tapa maker, he's a cape maker, he's a pahu maker, he does everything. His home is like a museum. Every time you go there, he has some new project that he's working on. And he's dedicated his life. He's so Hawaiian. You go to his house any time of the night, knock the door, and he doesn't check the door. He just says from in the house, "Oi, come inside, come inside." And I shared with them a lot more. There's so much more little, but I'm gonna attempt to do this song. And usually I play the CD, but if I play the CD, I gotta kind of dance. And you know, I know we have a kupuna category, but we no more the Keawe o opo over the hill category. So, you know, cannot.